Okay, okay. Oh, pila is da?
Yeah.
Yan po guys, ang German Cemetery. Napakaganda po. Very beautiful. Wala ka lang nasa park. So walking lang kami. Rest and peace sa inyo. Ah, sure. Guck mal, ja, so schön. Ayan po yun. Ah, so I'm so enjoying.
Yeah.
So calm. Ayan po, nililibot ko na po kayo. They have way?
You can go outside.
Yeah. Ah.
Yeah.
Yan po, ang ganda din po ng view niya. Wow, wow. Okay, huling sulyap. Yeah. Guck mal here. The himmel.
Beautiful. Yeah.
The
a little
himmel.
bit
Look
of
like what is this?
a little bit of
Like
sun.
the bunny, like a bunny. Guck mal da.
Yeah.
Like a
Yeah.
oh, guck. Ayan po. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if it is open, but we
It's
can.
okay, you can see roof.
Yeah. Maybe we go to the Nazar gate because this is closed. Maybe I don't know. Yeah. This
It's
is
close, yeah.
So we go to the Nazar
Yeah.
one. You can walk.
I can.
Yeah. These are the new graves.
Ah.
Just people died.
Ito yan po, mga bago lang po sila.
Ich bin mit Jonah gerade bis gelaufen. Das ist gerade hier am Friedhof. This one is open.
Tahimik lang po tayo kasi tahimik din sila. Okay, Merry Christmas! Lalabas na ta kami. I close it, yeah?
Yeah. You still want to walk a little bit?
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
so we
yeah.
walk over
Yeah.
here.
Ah, beautiful. So beautiful.